Good morning. I'm Joe Terso, co-founder of the HivePoint Group, and today we're going to do a little quick demo to show you what's brewing over at the old Hive AI Platform. This one specifically for my MSP brothers and sisters because it is a key proactive feature to solving problems before they become impacting. I like to call it the Hive Managed Alignment process. And this is alpha version. Right now I'm looking at it on a desktop. I'll have it for the iPhone and Android, and I'll have it on the tablet because this is meant to be used on site. What I'm going to do is you come in here, and this is an audit tool, right? We're going to come in here and we can start a new audit. We're going to select an organization, and then we select our audit framework. Now, here's the best part. You can have predefined frameworks, or you can create your own framework list of questions that you as an MSP or you as an internal IT have set as standards for your environment, be it power, be it firewall configs, be it patch management, whatever those standards are, environmental standards. Did the ISP failover get done? You can create whatever standards and whatever questions you want to audit against on a recurring basis. So I'm just going to pick SYS and I'm going to title it. So we'll do SYS Audit 12/20/25. Now, why do I need to name it? Because one of the things we do is allow you to compare as you go. It asks the question, you put in your answer, that's pretty straightforward. But then you can see what the answer was during the last audit. If there was a previous audit, which is why we named them, it would show up here as the last audit. But wait, there's more. You're able to upload attachments. So if there was some documents scanned in, or you took some pictures or whatever, you simply click on it, upload the picture, and it attaches it to the question. And I just upload it, and there it is. Or I can take a photo. I'm going to hit take a photo. I'm obviously using my camera on the device, so it may not work yet. Camera's in use. It still shows it. I can capture and it'll attach, but also capture location. So a lot of people will have maps of their facilities. So you can connect the GPS coordinates, and then if it's on a different floor or in a location, you can add those. Hey, this is on the second floor. This is going to be in the wiring. This is a wiring closet, or it's going to be the third floor and it's the break room. Whatever it is. So you get more granular with the details to help with remote support. How much nicer is it to where I just have to click a button and I can record my findings? I can type some assessments, but then I can record, and what's going to happen, because this is alpha, but before I release this into beta, I'll have the transcription. You'll record, and the transcription will go into the answer. So imagine you're on your phone, you take some pictures, you geotag it, you record your notes, you move on, right? That's what alignment should be like. You can navigate to the next questions, you hit save, you're going to say this is not applicable to this. There is no change from the last time, right? I have my previous answer and it's going to be the same as this answer, so I don't have to do anything. There's no location change or nothing, no change. I hit next and I can go through the process. For the summary page, and this is where it becomes where I say AI driven. Because this is connected to the Hive AI platform, and I have my ticketing system, my RMM systems, I have my Teams meetings recorded or my other meetings recorded, I can ingest all that information into this report or ingest this information into those reports because they're all on the same platform. But here, it'll give you a list, it'll give you the percentage complete, and it'll give you a breakdown. But if you hit this button right here, it's going to give you a predefined format, which again, you can modify, that says, here's a percentage complete, here's an executive summary, here's your risk factor, here are critical items that need to be done, here are some additional findings, and here are all the questions and the answers. So that executive summary is meant to be a client-facing, and if you have an audit you're comparing against, it'll show you progress, right? So here we go. I had a previous rating. Now I have my same rating. It gives me my executive summary, shows all my critical issues, my recommendations. Now with this, again, if I have my PSA or CRM, Salesforce, or whatever I track my opportunities in, if that is connected to the Hive AI platform, these will send right over. If there are tickets that need to be created, it will send it over to the right people. It shows you your progress and again, the breakdown. So this is a highly functional platform that's going to be included in the MSP package for the Hive AI platform. Its uses are virtually endless, and it can be modified by organization. There's no per user, there's no per site fees being on the platform. It's got multi-level support for, I have a master facility or I have a master office. It has another site, and that site has different locations, different buildings. It supports that nested structure. If you've got ideas you'd like to see injected, if you've got questions you'd like to see in there, reach out to me. My email's on the screen, or it will be by the time I'm done, and we'll make this a better product. I would love people to get in here and start testing it, breaking it, and playing around.